Hello everybody, welcome to this lesson. Today we are going to work out question number 6 from exercise 2, page 39 from the Excel book or Pearson company. And I am Ali over here as your mathematics instructor. I'm happy to join once again with you, and this lesson we are going to work out this example with all details. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe if you are new member. Here said that Titania buys a new refrigerator and switches it on at the midday. The air temperature inside the freezer is T degrees of Celsius. 2 hours after she switches it on is given by the formula T is equal to minus 40 plus 15 for T is larger or equal than 0 and less or equal than 6. Part A, draw a graph of T against T for this interval. Part B, use this graph to find section 1, the freezer temperature before she turned it on. Section 2, the times when the freezer temperature is 0 degrees Celsius and minus 5 degrees Celsius. And the last part, C, use the formula to find the freezer temperature at 7:30 p.m. on that day. Comment your answer. So here as well, first we give optional value for T and draw the graph. Here we have T is equal to minus 40 plus 15. This is temperature, and capital T, the small letter, is time. So T is between 0 to 6 hours. We give optional value for T. For example, if T becomes 0, then capital T or temperature is equal to minus 4 multiplied by 0 plus 15. Capital T become 0 plus 15 equal to 15. Next, if T becomes 6, the smaller t, the capital T is equal to minus 4 multiplied by 6 plus 15. So T is equal to minus 24 plus 15. We subtract. T is equal to minus 9. Now we prepare a simple table like this. Here the smaller T or temperature, and here time, and here capital T is temperature. So when T is 0, the temperature is 15. Here is 0 and here 15. When T becomes 6, the capital T is minus 9. Now we draw the graph. So here when the smaller T, this axis is smaller T, and this one is the capital T or temperature. As when T is 0, capital T is 15. This one is 0.0. Capital T 15. We count from this 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. 15 is this point, the middle point between. Here is 14 and here 16. So this point is 15, the middle. Next one, when T is 6, we count from this 2, 4, 6. This point is 6. And T is minus 9. We count minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, minus 8, minus 10. Minus 9 is this point. Here is minus 8. and here is minus 10. The middle is minus 9. We come horizontally this point. Now we connect these 2 points together. This is the graph of this equation. Here said the draw graph of t against t. This one is between 0 to 6. Draw a graph of t against t for t is equal to 0 then 12. Maybe continue this one to 12 as well. We extend if t become 12. So here we multiply by capital T is equal to minus 4 multiplied by 12 plus 15. This minus 48 plus 15. We simplify 8 minus 5 remain 3. 14 minus 5 minus 1 3 minus 33. We can continue this graph, but it's impossible to all of them drawing this. Once again, I draw a graph like this, but it doesn't have enough space to draw completely. There is 6 here, 8, here is 10, here is 12. We come down from this point, maybe it's out of this space. If not so important, we use the equation and set that part B. Use this graph to find the freezer temperature before she turns on. Before the turning on, the time is 0. When the time is 0, actually y-intercept this point, it means the temperature of refrigerator is 15 degrees Celsius. Capital T is 15 degree of Celsius before turning on. Next part said that the time when the freezer temperature is 0. When the temperature is 0, if you use the graph, this point, temperature is 0, this point it is between, this one is 2, here is 4, here is 3. The temperature of refrigerator is between 3 and 4. But in graph we cannot find the exact price, so I use the equation. In equation we have T is equal to minus 4T plus 15. We use this equation. When the temperature in the freezer is 0, the capital T is equal to 0, and we solve this equation. Minus 4T plus 15 equal to 0. Minus 4T is equal to minus 15. We bring 15 to the right side. There's negative, we directly simplify. 40 equal to 15, and we divide both sides by 4, so T is equal to 15 over 4. 15 divided by 4 gave us 3.75 degrees of Celsius. That is exactly correct, because in our graph is, of course, this point is about 3.75. And also said that the time when the freezer temperature is minus 5 degrees of Celsius. We should find the time when the temperature is minus 5. So here is minus 2, here is minus 4, here is minus 6, minus 5 is between minus 4 and minus 5. This point we connect with a different color here. From this midpoint we come horizontally like this, intersect the graph here, then it's exact process. I think maybe around, it's between 4 and 6, about maybe 5, but we cannot find the exact price, so I use the equation here. In the equation we have that capital T is equal to minus 4t plus 15. So when t is minus 5, we put minus 5 equal to minus 4t plus 15. We bring this term to the left side, become positive. 4t is equal to 15, and we carry this minus to the right side, become positive. So 4t is equal to 20. Then we divide both sides by 4 and simplify. 1 times of 4 is 4, 5 times of 4 is 15. So t is equal to 5 hours. It means after 5 hours the temperature become minus 5. That's exactly minus 5 degrees of Celsius, equal to or corresponding to 5 hours. This is the 5 exactly. It's okay completely. And part C said use the formula to find the freezer temperature at 7:30. Use the formula to find the freezer temperature at 7:30 on that day. Comment on your answer. Use the formula to find the freezer temperature at 7:30. So we use the formula here. 7:30. T is equal to minus 4t plus 15. When t is equal to 7:30, 7:30 is equal to 7.5, because we convert 30 minutes divided by 60 minutes. It's equal to 1/2 or 0.5 hour. So total becomes 7.5 hour. Now we find the temperature. T is equal to minus 4 multiplied by 7.5 plus 15. Capital T is equal to, we multiply 4 times of 7.5 is minus 30 plus 15, and we simplify. Capital T is minus 15 degree of Celsius. Now we comment our idea on our answer, because the refrigerator usually has automatics that sometime when decrease the temperature is stopped and once again stored after a few times or a few minutes. So for that reason we cannot say or tell exactly that the temperature decrease linearly, because sometimes the temperature decrease in refrigerator like this, if shown graph. When the refrigerator is on, the temperature decrease like this, come down, but after a few minutes when it stop, once again the refrigerator become warm, the temperature increased. Then when once again turn on, then once and the second time come down, then increase and decrease like this. So for that reason we cannot say exactly that after 7:30 the refrigerator become minus 15 degree of Celsius, because maybe after 5 hours or 4 hours or 6 hours the temperature stop automatically and increase once again the temperature. So this question is completely solved. I hope you understand completely. If you have any question or you can write or ask in the comment below, and then I will explain the next video. Okay, have a nice day. Goodbye.